The family of Gabby Petito is now working to turn around perceptions when it comes to missing people of color. They say when their daughter Gabby disappeared, they heard about the concept of missing white woman syndrome. That is, missing and attractive white women getting more attention than others. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joins us live from Tampa with what the Petito family is now trying to do to change that perception. Jeff.
Good evening, Josh. Well, I spoke to Gabby's father today, her mother and stepmother, and they are concerned that other people are getting more attention, that Gabby and others are getting more attention than they deserve when it comes to missing person cases. So they're doing what they can to ensure that all missing people, regardless of who they are or what they look like, get the attention they deserve.
Kaya was big as life. She loved life. She had this contagious laugh.
Kaya Taylor went missing in February of 2020. Her car was found abandoned and running along this Plant City train track. Her personal belongings were still inside, and at the time, the case got little public attention.
Why does 3 women in the same area kind of go missing, and yet one girl goes missing and the whole nation knows?
Kaya's mother is referring to the cases of Veronica Reyes-Diaz, her daughter, and Kelly Vasquez, all women of color. But of these, only Kelly Vasquez's case has been solved. Gabby Petito's father says he's certainly heard of the term missing white woman syndrome.
And we noticed it, and we saw it, especially when we had our foundation and the way things are shared.
The Petitos say other groups don't get the same public attention.
We definitely see if you're a child, you're always going to get shared. If you are a white woman, that's like next in line. Unfortunately, men get shared the least.
Now they are working with other groups to give advice and bring attention to their cases.
And we don't know all the answers, but I think as a society, doing it together and paying more attention to everybody is how we fix it.
Yeah.
Gabby's mother says it's something we can all help with.
If it's so simple as sharing a missing persons flyer that you see come across your Facebook feed, takes a second, just make sure that person hasn't been found yet, because you want to share the people that are actually missing.
So that last part is important because I've actually seen missing person cases come across my own Facebook feed, and I know that those cases have been solved. So before you share, make sure you do a little bit of research. Make sure that person is still missing so that when you do share that important information, it's about the people who are truly missing. Live in Tampa, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.